From the long houses, you see from down here, when I go with that office, but yeah, these homes were roughly generational families. You put down there thinking via that and keeping down here. But I understand where they're built, and then up with one model, and smaller, and it's kind of big cat inside, that room, and then all this, you have grass, roof on top, and then you got all the doorways and the fun stuff. Yeah, I looked at how they use the home back then where everyone kind of shared the same place, so that we kind of gathered and built up on stuff as well, and then a lot of deep stuff out of the water. And again, to show you how you drive with one guy in days, should still use the same way today. I didn't know these could be written when I went to Highland. Again, there's the logs onto the issue. It's gonna take these trees, yes. The trunks on these things, and then again they just have the nice little stems and the leaves. So like I said, the ladder these here must have come into their homes, and I hope you can see inside here. But yeah, the ones in the north are a little bit more different seating on both sides, but they have all the different stuff again, like a lot of the chimneys. But I'd love to go back. I'm thinking on like, I mean, if I can go back in the future, or go back in the past and see things like this and see how we used to live, I'd love to go and sit down with everyone and see how things were done back then. Then other cooking station. I'm sure it probably would have been quite smoky in here when we were cooking. You got a lot of airflow in these buildings, so everything would have been kind of blown out. If I had enough land in Canada to build stuff like this, I'd probably put one of everything on my property and have the same style. The older, the better for me. Famous example, 500 years old. You get a chance under and take a look at the structure of the building. The building makes everything how it's built. You know, bamboo was used quite a lot back then. You have some little beds, which would definitely fill my back. Just the wood bed here, and you got the sheets they would put down on the bed for your sleep. When we first came in here, you can see there's lots of different tools we use as well. Farming tool on the wall here, different pieces we use. And again, like I said before, I love the fabric. You know, these are all made here, handmade. Like close the doorway. These ones would have closed, you know, in case there was any, large amount of winds, rain, storms, where they can keep everything closed in and don't get any rain or anything inside. Come back out. This is the front of the building. But again, like I said, I love how they use the ladders here. And they always carve different pictures in their homes and ladders.
Be careful.
To show more of the story behind Vietnam. Come back and see another one of these profiles. You see more of the round ones back in the scooter, but these are the very thin leaf varieties. So again, nice color, look how big they get. Form of it. Yeah, again, hope you like the video. And again, make your way out here if you can. If you're in Vietnam, come take a look day and night. It's the same feeling as we did last night.